Jamaica's greatest asset is our people. That is why this government continues to invest in education, training, and job opportunities, ensuring that every Jamaican, regardless of background, has the chance to learn, earn, and thrive. We have already had significant success in public-private partnerships and the apprenticeship model with the Amber Heart Academy. Nearly 500 youth have graduated specializing in data analytics, cybersecurity, web and app development. Most have secured paid internships with career pathways. 112 JDF soldiers are also now being trained in coding, which will strengthen the JDF's technological capabilities. Madam Speaker, building on the success of this model, I'm pleased to announce an expanded apprenticeship program in critical industries that urgently need more skilled labor. These industries include construction and the hospitality sector. Over the next 2 years, 300 young people will receive paid hands-on training alongside industry professionals. Each participant will earn a weekly stipend of $13,500 to $16,500 with a 10% set aside as compulsory savings. This approach allows our youth to build a career, support their families, and contribute to the economy, all at the same time. Madam Speaker, we will begin this pilot in conjunction with the Sandals Corporate University. Additionally, later this year, we will establish the Institute of Higher Apprenticeship in partnership with industry and the Inter-American Development Bank. This will provide advanced vocational certification while participants work in the field. A young person will be able to pursue, let's say, a degree in logistics or a diploma in manufacturing through an apprenticeship track, gaining academic credentials and practical experience at the same time upon graduating. The jobs of tomorrow demand skills in science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, STEM. HEART is investing $400 million to establish state-of-the-art STEAM labs. So this will also include not just things for mechatronics and engineering and so forth, but also computers for creative designs, for managing sound stages and so forth. So within those labs, there will be a place for persons who would want to pursue the technical elements of the creative industry. So these labs will feature robotic kits, virtual welding simulators, drone technology, hydroponics, and 3D printing, 3D printers, ensuring that our children from all backgrounds can access world-class technical education. To further support STEM talent, we are launching the Boost Building Opportunities for Outstanding STEM Students program. Beginning in April 2025, HEART graduates in Level 4 STEM-related courses will be eligible for a grant of up to $300,000 to purchase specialized tools, software to start their business. I have given directives to the Minister of Education to ensure that AI is prominent in our national training and development strategy, which is why we appointed an AI task force. This government is committed to ensuring that Jamaica is an active player and not a spectator in the global AI revolution. From the recommendations of the National Artificial Intelligence Task Force, we are implementing an AI work readiness strategy that includes integrating AI and coding into school curricula at all levels and promoting dedicated teacher training programs on AI. And we are launching a prompt engineering course through the Heart Trust NSTA to train students and public sector professionals in using AI tools effectively. In partnership with the Amber Group, the government will also establish a cutting-edge local AI lab, a public-private center of excellence where developers, researchers, entrepreneurs, and students can collaborate on AI solutions. The AI lab will serve as the catalyst for a new era of technological advancement in Jamaica. AI will disrupt some traditional jobs, but it will create new high-paying opportunities. This government is ensuring that Jamaicans are equipped to seize those opportunities and lead in the digital economy.